This is your IRA for week number 14, and the book for this week is Julius, the Baby of the World. If you haven't already, you need to scan the QR code so you can look and listen to the story before you do your journal prompt. If you've already listened to the story today, then you can continue. Your prompt today says, why did Lily change her mind about Julius? When did you change your mind about something? So on your journal today, you need to write me at least 2 sentences. Remember, you can always write me more if you need to or want to, but you do need at least 2 sentences down. So again, you need to tell me, why did Lily change her mind about Julius? That's sentence number 1. And sentence number 2 is, when did you change your mind about something? I want you to tell me about the situation, tell me what was happening, and tell me why you changed your mind. If you'd like to tell me more than that, you are more than welcome to do so. If you need extra room, you can go onto the back of the paper and don't forget your name at the bottom.